Hey everyone, if you wanted to use the page type feature in Power BI, which allows you to set your pages to either tooltip or drill through, but you don't find this option, then you're not alone. I was facing the same issue, and in this video, I'll share with you the hack that worked for me. So, the first thing that I did was I uninstalled my Power BI desktop and we're going to install it back. So just search for Microsoft Downloads and click on the first link. Navigate and click on Office. Here you should find Power BI. So this page will always show you the latest version. So you can see it's the August one, and you can download the 64-bit. So just select this and go ahead and download it. So once you download it, you should see the installer downloaded into your system. Just run this and you should be able to see the page type feature in the new Power BI that you have just downloaded. If this doesn't work for you, some users, what work for them is enabling all the preview features. For that, go into options, go to preview features, enable everything here, click on OK, and then launch your Power BI again. Uh, I really believe either of these would and should work for everyone. So try this out if you don't see the page type feature.